How to fix Instagram posts not showing on your profile. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Instagram glitch where your profile posts aren't showing up. If your posts are missing and you can't see them on your profile, don't worry, just follow along step by step and we'll get it fixed. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you should try is updating your Instagram app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update available. Go ahead and update the app. For many people, that alone solves the problem. If updating doesn't work, here's what you need to do. Go back to the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram again, and scroll down. If you're part of the beta program, you'll see an option that says Leave Beta or Leave Testing. Tap that to exit. Now uninstall Instagram completely from your phone. Before you reinstall it, restart your device. This step is really important. Once your phone is back on, reinstall Instagram, log in, and check your profile. At this point, your posts should be visible again. If the glitch is still there, don't panic. There's a simple workaround while Instagram sorts this out. You can download Instagram Lite from the Play Store or just log in through your browser or the desktop version. Both of these options let you access your account normally, even while the main app is having issues. And that's it. Those are 3 easy ways to fix the Instagram posts not showing glitch.